Hi, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you second semester fifth module is numerical methods. So already first video and second video is now turns forward, backward, and divided difference and completed. The next point is Lagrange's formula for interpolation and inverse interpolation. So here Lagrange's formula for interpolation and inverse interpolation. Okay. The first, what is Lagrange's formula is y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x is equal to x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 into x minus x4 up to so on x minus xn divided by x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, so on x naught minus x3, like so on x naught minus xn into y naught. It means what? This term is in, this is y naught term, and this is y1 term, this is y2 term, y3, y4, y5, like that. And first term is y naught term. In y naught means here in numerator x naught is absent. So take x minus x1, start with x1 only. X naught is absent, x minus x1, x minus x2, like that. Then which term is absent in numerator, that term minus of these values, x naught minus x naught, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3, up to so on x naught minus xn, that value we can write here y naught, plus this is the first means y1 term. Y1 means x1 is absent, x minus x naught into x minus x2 directly, not x1 is absent here, x minus x naught into x minus x2 into x minus x3 into x minus x4 into x minus x5, like that, up to x minus xn. So here x1 is absent means take denominator x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, x1 minus x4, like that, up to xn minus x4. And this is y2 term. Y2 term means x2 is absent here, x minus x naught, and x minus x1, x minus x2 is absent, x minus x3 directly, x minus x4, like that, x minus xn. Here x2 is absent, take here x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3, like so, that x2 minus xn, plus so on up to so on. This is the nth term. Nth term means a yn means xn is absent, x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, x minus x4, like so dot, so on. And last term is x minus xn minus 1, or you take x minus xn plus 1, next number, and divided by xn minus x naught, xn minus x1, xn minus x2, so on xn minus 1. This is the Lagrange's formula, Lagrange's interpolation formula. This is Lagrange's interpolation formula. And inverse interpolation, Lagrange's inverse interpolation formula is everything is same value, the only change is here in place of x, y is there. In place of x is y, in place of y is x. Okay, this is the only inverse interpolation formula. Everything is same, formula is completely same as it is, only changes here, in place of x is y, in place of y is x. These two formula, you remember these things. Okay, now example, just we can apply one, you can take the simple one example, that is use Lagrange's interpolation formula to find f of 4 given x is equal to 0, 2, 3, 6, f of x is equal to 0 minus 4, 2, 14, 158, 0 minus 4, 2, 2, 3, 14, 6, 158, like that. Let x naught here, which is x naught value is 0, x1 is 2, x2 is 3, x3 is 6, and y naught is minus 4, y1 is 2, y2 is 14, y3 is 158. You write these all the values. We have to find x is equal to 4. Just here formula is there, forward formula is there, sorry, the Lagrange's interpolation formula is there, so same formula we can copy and paste here, means same we can write here, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 into y naught divided by x naught minus x1, x2 minus x2, x2 minus x3 up to x3 only, because your last value is x3 only, x4 is absent, so you can write up to x3 only, x minus x naught, x minus x2, x minus x3 into y1 divided by x1 minus x naught into x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, like that. So you can write all the formula and just substitute the value, all the values here, values are there, x naught, x1, x2, x3, y naught, y1, y2, y3, and x value is there. Just you can substitute the value and simplify, you get 40, you get 40. Okay, so this is the f of 4 value. The second example is, use Lagrange's interpolation formula to fit a polynomial for the data. Polynomial of the data. Table is there, you can write x naught, x1, x2, x3, y naught, y1, y2, y3, and you can write Lagrange's interpolation formula. Just write the formula and simplification. Everything is same here also. Same thing here. So next one, next these are the Lagrange's interpolation formula. And what about inverse interpolation formula for yes, here is there, apply Lagrange's formula inversely to find a root of the equation f of x is equal to 0, given that f of 30 is minus 30, f of 34 is minus 13, f of 38 is 3, f of 42 is 18. So we can write these, all the values are here, x naught is equal to 30, x1 is equal to 34, x2 is equal to 38, and x3 is equal to 42. These are this is x naught, x1, x2 and x3, and y naught is minus 30, y1 is minus 13, y2 is 3, y3 is 18. So these are the values are there. So now we can find f of x is equal to 0, means here x is question mark, y is 0, y is equal to is there here, y is equal to 0, x is equal to question mark. So in terms of x we can write x is equal to means inverse formula, Lagrange's inverse interpolation formula we can apply. This is the same, only in place of x you can write y only. Write the y minus y1, y minus y2, y minus y3 into x naught divided by y2, y naught minus y1, y2, y1, y naught minus y2, y naught minus y3, like that. So you can write all the formula and the values are there, just you can substitute the value and simplify, you get x of 0 is equal to 37.2303. So this is the polynomial, interpolation polynomial, like these are the value. Okay, thank you.